Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we see exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. A part 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Let's draw number line from 0 to 1. We divide line between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. First we mark 1 by 4. This is 0 and this is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4 and this is 3 by 4. 1 is nothing but 4 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 4. 2 by 4 which is equal to, if you reduce 2 by 4 we get 1 by 2. B part 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. Let's draw number line from 0 to 1. Since in all numbers the denominator is 8, so we divide line between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. 0, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, which is nothing but 1. So we have to mark 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. So this is 1 by 8, this is 2 by 8, and this is 3 by 8, and this is 7 by 8. C part 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. Let's draw number line from 0 to 2. This is 0, 1, and this is 2. Since in all numbers the denominator is 5, therefore we divide the line between 0 and 2 into 5 equal parts. So this is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5, this is 5 by 5, 5 by 5 is nothing but 1, this is 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5 is nothing but 2. Here we want to mark 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. So this is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 8 by 5. Question number 2. Express the following as mixed fraction. A part 20 by 3. 20 divided by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18, 2. This is quotient. This is remainder. And this is divisor. Mixed fraction will be written as quotient remainder by divisor. Therefore, quotient is 6, remainder is 2, and the divisor is 3. The answer is 6, 2 by 3. B part 11 by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Mixed fraction will be written as quotient remainder by divisor. This is quotient, this is remainder, and this one is divisor. Quotient remainder by divisor. So the answer is 2, 1 by 5. C part 17 by 7. 7 into 2, 14. 17 minus 14, 3. Quotient remainder by divisor. This one is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. So 2, 3 by 7. D part 28 by 5. 5 into 5, 25. 8 minus 5, 3. Therefore, mixed fraction will be written as quotient remainder by divisor. The answer is 5, 3 by 5. Quotient is 5, remainder is 3, and divisor is 5. E part 19 by 6. 6 into 3, 18. 19 minus 8, 1. Quotient remainder by divisor. This is quotient, this is remainder, and this one is divisor. Therefore, 3, 1 by 6. The answer is 3, 1 by 6. F part 35 by 9. 9 into 3, 27. 35 minus 27 is 8. Therefore, 3, 8 by 9. Quotient remainder by divisor. Question number 3. Express the following as improper fraction. A part 7, 3 by 4. We can express mixed fraction as an improper fraction as whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So this one is whole. This is denominator. This is numerator. Here we have to multiply whole into denominator. Whole is 7. So 7 into denominator is 4 plus numerator. Numerator is 3. by denominator. Denominator is 4. 7 into 4, 28 plus 3 by 4. 28 plus 3 is equal to 31 by 4. B part, 5, 6 by 7. Whole into denominator. So this is whole, this is denominator, and this one is numerator. Whole into denominator. So 5 into 7 plus numerator. Numerator is 6 by denominator. Denominator is 7. Five into 7 plus 6 by 7, which is equal to 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 6 by 7. 35 plus 6 equal to 41 by 7. So the answer is 41 by 7. C part, 2, 5 by 6. Whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So the whole is 2 into denominator is 6 plus numerator is 5 by denominator. Denominator is 6. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 5 by 6. 12 plus 5 equal to 17. 17 by 6. D part, 10, 3 by 5. Whole into denominator plus numerator is 3 by denominator is 5. 10 into 5, 50 plus 3 by 5. 50 plus 3 is equal to 53 by 5. Therefore, the answer is 53 by 5. E part, 9, 3 by 7. Whole into denominator. So 9 into 7 plus numerator. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. 9 into 7 is 63 plus 3 by 7. 63 plus 3 is equal to 66 by 7. Therefore, the answer is 66 by 7. F part, 8, 4 by 9. So, this is whole. This is numerator is 4. Denominator is 9. Whole into denominator. 8 into 9 plus numerator is 4 by denominator is 9. Eight into 9 is 72 plus 4 by 9. 72 plus 4 is 76 by 9. Therefore, the answer is 76 by 9.